Government of National Unity and Transformation has praised its partnership with Australia, highlighting the Solomon Islands Australia Community Partnership Programme as a key driver of positive change for local communities. Simon Tavake reports.
The Government for National Unity and Transformation, GNUT, has acknowledged the strong partnership between Solomon Islands and Australia through the Solomon Islands Australia Community Partnership Programme, recognizing its positive impact on the lives of ordinary Solomon Islanders. Speaking during the official handover of a new fence at Betikama Adventist College yesterday, Minister for Education and Human Resources Development, Honorable Tozen Leokana, said the partnership has significantly improved the well-being of communities across the country. He added that the government remains committed to strengthening this partnership to ensure it continues to deliver meaningful benefits for Solomon Islanders in the years ahead.
One thing that stands out, all right, that comes out of our government, the government of the day, is the word transformation. And this project, or through the partnership project, it goes a long way to transforming lives of our people throughout our community, including Betikama ladies, through this project. So with that, let us also renew our commitment to creating an inclusive, safe, and supportive environment for all, and to ensure that the momentum of this project continues to deliver its purpose today and also towards the future.
Meanwhile, Acting Australian High Commissioner to Solomon Islands, Andrew Slofel, reaffirmed Australia's ongoing commitment to support Solomon Islands through the Solomon Islands Australia Community Partnerships Programme.
Me like telling you fella that Australia hemi committed for supporting Solomon Islands through projects awesome this one. Me fella by continue for working together for improved community, building better future, and give them all get tools where we feel a need for success. Long school leadership, staff, and community members, we're supporting construction below fence and toilet block before. Tagio Tumas for hard worker, dedication, and vision below you fella for Ogeta students. And long Ogeta students, this fella had me one fella reminder that you fella important. You fella now future below this fellow country.
In 2024, Australia funded a record 100 community-level projects across every province of Solomon Islands, representing more than $23.6 million Solomon dollars. Simon Tavake for SIBC TV.